Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to show you this pre-owned Nautique G25. This is a 2021 Nautique G25 that we have here, pre-owned, roughly about 150 hours on this boat. And I'm going to do a nice walkthrough for you. So as you can see on the outside, it has a nice white hull side. And then as you get towards the back of the boat, it does have a nice haze gray accent color. So there's a lot to see on this boat. I'm excited to show it to you. So come on board, let's take a look. All right, thanks for joining me here on this 2021 G25. So let's go through some of the different options that this boat has. First, we'll take a look at the color of the interior. Obviously, bringing in that white from the exterior into the interior, and then also adding in some nice accents of black, and then also the accent of the haze gray. This is what they call the haze gray true weave. It has a nice little texture to it. Looks really cool on this boat. This boat is equipped with the PCM ZZ6. That's 450 horsepower with 465 foot-pounds of torque. So for the G25, that's plenty of power. This boat was also optioned with steer assist. So steer assist is able to spin the boat in a 360, go reverse in a straight line, just overall help, especially when the boat is all loaded up with ballast. So great option to have on the G25. So like all the Nautiques, they have nice sea decking walking all the way through into the boat. So you don't have to step on any of your cushions. You can step right on that stuff and not smush down any of the cushions. As we come into the boat, we have plenty of seating in a G25. We got a backrest here. We got a backrest that pops up right here. And then we have the nice bench. So if everybody's sitting back, watching surfing, wakeboarding, whatever sport you like to do, you can do that in the comfort. These are all on hinges as well. So easy to get to. There's lighting underneath this. So if you're coming in at night, you got nice light underneath there to grab things. We'll take a look at the tower now. So on the tower here, this optioned with 2 pair of 8.8-inch JL drivers, with all of them having down lighting. So you have some extra lighting into the cockpit at night. And then with 4 of these things, you got plenty of sound coming out the back of the boat, which is great. They did the Nautique strapless board racks, obviously rotating, so they can pop in and out. Easy enough to put your board in there, lift that up, and it stays in place. And then also Bimini mounted, mounted Bimini on the tower. So the boot comes right off, has a couple big wings, those open up, lock them into place. You've got plenty of shade here in the cockpit, and then also 2 extra spots for surfboards as far as pockets go up on top of the Bimini. So as we come into the boat, in Nautique fashion, they've got the beautiful helm seat here, great backrest to it, got plenty of room. It feels really nice when you're driving it. It's got the nice little cutout right in here for your leg. So super comfortable when you're sitting in the driver's seat. We got the 12.4-inch link pen array system. So everything I have in this boat is right here in the touch screen. You're able to use your finger, touch different things there, or you can use this nice rotary encoder right next to the throttle. So you got your quick keys right here at the top, so you can hit the buttons, get to where you need to very quickly. We've got storage underneath the seat. Up here, you can see we got the cover in there. There's also a 12-inch subwoofer that is underneath there, along with another 12-inch subwoofer that is encased underneath the helm area as well. So JL audio throughout the entire boat. We got speakers in the bow, speakers all over the place in this boat, so sound quality is phenomenal. We've got the nice wind dam that pops up here. Pull that across, shut your window. On those colder days, it'll keep that cold wind from coming into the cockpit. And then up in the bow, G25, just a massive bow. We've got armrests that pop up here. We've got storage underneath both. And then I have my bow filler cushion. And this bow filler actually also doubles as a place to step out of your boat. You can flip it over and it's got sea deck on that side. You can take this part out, you got sea deck, and you can hop out without having to step on any of your cushions. So again, 2021 G25, about 150 hours on this boat. It is here at our Rogers location if you want to come take a look, or give us a call to set up an appointment. So as always, please click the like button on this video, and then click to subscribe to see every video we're putting out every day. Thank you.